When companies want to comply with the new FEMA correctly, it is always extremely frustrating, time-consuming, and expensive. Right. Wrong. At Audimus Consulting, we offer a complete FMEA package that costs a fraction compared to alternative tools. How do we do it? Together, we build the FMEA according to the current specifications of the new harmonized manual of the AIAG and VDA. For this purpose, we provide you with our tool, the Audimus FMEA Designer, free of charge. The operation is simple and intuitive. Anyone who knows how to use Excel can also use this tool, guaranteed. Our experts will train your staff in a few days and support them until the FMEA is ready according to the new requirements profile. At Audimus Consulting, we advise our clients in all areas of quality management and are proven experts in our field. We have been awarded several times in a row for our work. We have used all of our knowledge in the development of the FMEA Designer to offer our clients everything from a single source. The facilitation, our methods, expertise, the tool, and in just a few weeks, a finished FMEA for just a fraction of the usual price. And once trained, your team can effortlessly create FMEAs themselves. Contact us now and we'll provide you with a free trial.